What's happening, folks? Not too long ago, I decided to challenge myself and see if I could earn over $30,000 in just 1 week. And I was able to get it done a lot easier than I expected. Stick around to the end because I'm going to give you the details so you can take your best shot at it too. First off, when I decided to go through with this 30K 7-day dropshipping challenge, I decided to start with a basic Sellvia store, the same one any client can access immediately. I just made that decision because it comes free with everything set up and ready to go, and honestly, I just figured it'd be easier and faster if I stuck with Sellvia for this challenge. Besides deciding on what to go with for my store, the first thing I knew I needed to figure out was what products I was going to sell, because selling the right item is absolutely key. If you don't have the right products, then it's harder to get going, plain and simple. I decided to go with the high ticket products niche bundle 5-in-1. Just because I figured that with the right marketing, high ticket would be the surest way to complete my 7-day challenge. The 5-in-1 products niche bundle is pretty darn good because it gives you the best selling high ticket products across a wide range of niches. I also decided on the Amazon bestsellers product package just because it's always a good idea to sell what performs best on Amazon. I chose this approach because I figured a mix of high ticket and trending items would ensure I had a wide appeal and maximized potential profit per sale. Once my products were in place, I focused on getting traffic. Instead of guessing or manually creating ads, I used the Sellvia Ads tool. Sellvia Ads is nice. It gives you automated and AI-powered marketing across the top 5 platforms for advertising, that being Amazon, Facebook, Google, Instagram, and TikTok. With Sellvia Ads, all you need to do is set your budget and the system does all the testing, targeting, and optimization for you. At the same time, I set up my TikTok and Instagram stores using Sellvia's social media marketing tool. Sellvia's TikTok and Insta store allows you to sync your store products directly to your social pages, making it possible for followers to shop instantly without leaving the app. The tool also provides ready-to-post content from videos to images to captions, which kept my pages active and consistent throughout the week. The results started coming in quick. By day 3, I had all sorts of sales come in from both high-ticket products as well as the Amazon bestsellers. One customer, for example, bought a premium massage chair. I had orders coming in to the tune of $2K or even $3K, and that was all for one sale each. And the craziest thing is that I wasn't even really spending any time on figuring out and running my ads. Sellvia Ads was doing a lot of heavy lifting. It's a big deal having AI figure out how to get your products in front of the right people at the right time. By the end of day 7, I shot well above 30K, and I didn't even really feel like I'd put in all that much work. The combination of high-ticket products, trending Amazon bestsellers, automated Sellvia Ads, and TikTok and Instagram stores was a surprisingly effective combo. Looking back, the key factors were clear. First, having the right products in place from Sellvia's packages gave me an immediate advantage. Second, automating ads with the Sellvia Ads tool removed guesswork and saved time, allowing the AI to find the most profitable audience for each item. Third, using TikTok and Instagram stores helped me reach customers where they already spend most of their time, and it allowed for instant shopping, which increased sales dramatically. If I had to think about what the main lesson of this challenge is, then it'd have to be that you don't need a huge budget or a massive following to succeed in dropshipping. You just need the right foundation, the right products, and the right tools, and with Sellvia, getting all that is easy. If you're thinking about starting a dropshipping store, or if you're scaling one that you already have, it's always a good idea to check out Sellvia. They've got a wide range of product packs and services that give you what you need in order to find the approach that really works for you. If you like how I went about it, it's super easy to repeat. Just pick up the high-ticket products niche bundle and the Amazon bestsellers pack, set up your TikTok and Instagram stores, activate Sellvia Ads, and stay consistent with content and engagement. You can give my approach a try and see for yourself. Within a week, you're gonna like the results. I'll leave links to everything below in the description. So that's that! That's the full story of my 7-day challenge and how I earned over 30K in just 1 week. Give it a try if you're looking for a new way to get your sales up. Hit like, subscribe, the notification bell, write a comment if you're feeling the need, and I'll catch you guys later.